Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So I am honestly quite sick today, but I am super excited to be sharing this product with you. So I want to give you a little bit of background as to why I have purchased this. Obviously, you'll be able to tell by the title it is a sewing machine. So this is the packaging. And I have actually used it a couple of times, so I definitely feel like I can give you a proper review, but this is it. So this is the mini multifunctional household sewing machine, and the item number YASM 505A sewing machine, it says there. So these are one of the sewing machines that you can pick up on eBay, and they're around the $30 mark. So we did, oh my god, I'm really struggling to speak. We did a lounge room makeover a couple of months ago. I would say we did have a coffee table, but I wanted to change that to an ottoman. And when I had a quote to get an ottoman made through the same manufacturer as our lounge, because I wanted it to match, or I wanted to do a completely different contrasting like pattern that would obviously match, but it would be like a chevron pattern or something so different, so it's not like I was trying to match it. Anyway, so the quotes came back for an ottoman of around like $800, and I just wasn't willing to spend that much money. So I did a lot of research, and I actually found the material of our current lounge. So I purchased that. I purchased honestly the exact amount that I needed. Any less it would not have worked. And I found a old ottoman that needed to be recovered. It was quite grubby, but the inside and the structure was still honestly perfect on Gumtree for free. So all up, the ottoman cost me like $100, including the sewing machine. But I do feel like having something like this is quite handy in your home. Like every now and again, like I'll use it to like fix up a dress or a piece of clothing, or some like a cushion that needs to be sewn, something like that. So that's what we're doing today. I do have to sew a little piece of a doona cover. I'm going to be super lazy while I do it. I'm not taking the insert out. I am just doing it the easiest way possible. But as I said, I wanted to share my thoughts on this with you. So I have recovered the whole ottoman using this, and can I just say I was super impressed in how well it handled the job. Obviously it's not a huge job, however the material was quite thick, and obviously you have to double it over, and it worked with no problems. Super easy and straightforward to use. I am a complete beginner and had no idea what I was doing. I actually watched YouTube videos on how to thread the machine, so that is my biggest tip on how to like thread the machine, and it's just step by step. You can easily follow it with no problems. But this is the machine. It is currently plugged in, so it is super small and really like easy to store when you're not using it, and you have all of these different options for different stitches that you can do. You can also use this to sew. This makes the needle obviously go back and forward, or go back or go forward, or you can use the foot pedal as well. I prefer the foot pedal personally. But yeah, really impressed. So I wanted to show you, just because, as I said, I'm just doing like a tiny stitch basically on the doona cover. So I personally don't really know which is the best stitches to use, but I'm gonna go with what it's on. It's a little bit confusing, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it as is and just show you. So I'm gonna move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. This is the problem. See how it's just like frayed a little bit? I just want to literally see if I can fix up this and just re-stitch it, which I think is gonna be very difficult because I'm too lazy to really move it. Gotta get the foot pedal sorted. Okay. Let's just see. So you, exactly the same as a normal sewing machine. Put it in. Just gotta make sure. Let's go this way. So when sewing, always go back and forward first. So that. And I just go a couple of times so it is, zoom that in. Now my fingers are really close, like okay. And then you lift it up to release it, and then that is it. I need scissors. Lucky. And then you just cut it off, cut all the little threads. As I said, I'm no professional, but this machine, it really just makes it easy. Like, it honestly really does. So I might also, like, as you can see, this doona cover probably needs to be thrown out. But I might, should I try and save it? Forward, back, forward, and then you lift the needle, lift the foot, and pull it out. So that's just to try and keep it from moving. I know that that was probably not the best tutorial on this machine, but I definitely wanted to share it with you. And would I recommend? 100%. If you are looking for a sewing machine, you don't want to spend a lot because you know you're not going to actually use it a lot, 100% grab this. It comes with everything you need, like spare needles, black and white threads. I don't know what this thing is, like the bobbins. And honestly, it has been incredible. I really, really recommend. So if you have this, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. Or if you do buy it because of this video, again, let me know. I would love to hear from you too. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.